It doesn't stay up.
Okay.
Got the duct assist hood pad.
Okay.
This is FCP Euro's newest project car, a manual Mark V Volkswagen GTI. We found this particular example in New Hampshire and drove it all the way to Virginia International Raceway to meet Charles, the humble mechanic.
From New Hampshire to pick it up to Connecticut, from Connecticut to Virginia. 1,000 miles she got.
We've partnered up with him for this build, and he's going to create an entire DIY video series around it, but we couldn't resist the opportunity to learn what's wrong with it from his point of view first.
What do you think it will look like?
I think it's gonna look like a white Mark V. Okay. It's very much what I expected. You know, being in the South, like those weird brown spots, I'm not sure what that is. So,
should we go take a look?
Let's go check it out.
Well, let's start with the positives. Positives. Unmodified, completely bone stock.
Awesome.
211,000 miles, but still ticking. Nothing has been changed. Unfortunately, nothing looks to have been maintained well, but she is bone stock. Immediately when we pop the hood, we get to the back. It doesn't stay up.
Okay. I like all the zip ties. That's cool. Race ready for sure.
Got the duct assist hood pad.
Okay. Original core support, or at least someone bought the stickers, which I'm always into. Looks like we got some oil leaks, which is good. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Don't look at that coolant hose too much, it'll break. Okay, that's a thing too.
E-brake works only all the way up.
Okay.
Ish.
Looks like we got some shifter business we can fix up. Maybe a bad engine mount? Is that what's going on down there?
What do you think?
It's nice, man. Like, it drives pretty good. I think it's really going to be a great platform. It's probably going to have, you know, 5 of the 10 really common Mark V things wrong with it.
Yeah.
And those are pretty easy things to fix, I think. We're at 212.
So we want to thank Charles, the humble mechanic. He's going to do great things to the GTI.
Big ups to FCP Euro on partnering with me on this project. Should be pretty fun. It's gonna go fast, and the videos will come out throughout this year.
We're super excited to see what he does and get the car back in better shape than it is now.